Hi Oka, I want to ask, what do you think about students smoking on campus? Personally, I think it's really inappropriate and destructive.
Hi Andin. Well, I think it depends. I agree that smoking everywhere is problematic, but as long as it's in designated smoking areas, I don't see why it's an issue.
But even if it's in these side areas, the smokes can still spread. Secondhand smoke is harmful and not everyone wants to be exposed to it. People walking by those areas might still breathe it in.
That's a fair point, but don't you think smokers have right to? They should have a place where they can smoke without being judged. Besides, universities should be inclusive, and that includes accommodating smokers.
I understand that smokers have rights, but what about non-smokers' right to clean air? Many people are sensitive to smoke and it can trigger asthma or other health issues. Isn't protecting everyone's health more important?
Sure, health is important, but isn't it a bit extreme to ban smoking entirely? Smoking is a legal activity. A complete ban would feel like discrimination against those who choose to smoke.
I'm not saying we should ban smoking everywhere, but maybe universities could create stricter regulation, for example, setting smoke area further away from buildings and pathways. That way, smokers can still smoke, but non-smokers won't be affected as much.
That sounds reasonable, but I think it's already hard now for smokers to find place to smoke. If the designates are, are too far, it could feel like they're being pushed out of the community altogether. Do you think that's unfair?
I see your point, but let's not forget the environmental impact of smoking too. Cigarette butts are one of the most common forms of litter, and they're often found all over campus, even near the site area. That's another reason why I believe smoking should be minimized.
You're right about the litter problem, but maybe the solution isn't banning smoking. Maybe we should focus on encouraging smokers to be more responsible with their waste. Universities could install more ashtrays and run awareness campaigns.
That's a good idea, but it still doesn't solve the health concerns. I think universities should focus on promoting healthier lifestyle overall. What if they offered more support for students who want to quit smoking?
I completely support that. Helping students quit smoking is a great idea, but we also need to respect that not everyone wants to quit. Some people smoke to manage stress, especially with how demanding university life can be.
I get that stress is a factor, but there are healthier ways to cope, like exercise, meditation, or counseling. Universities should encourage those alternatives instead of normalizing smoking.
True, but it's not about normalizing it. It's about giving people the freedom to make their own choice as long as they're not directly harming others. I think it's fair for smokers to have their space too.
I guess it comes down to finding a balance. Maybe stricter rules about where smoking is allowed, combined with support for those who want to quit, could be a compromise.
Agreed, balance is key. I think if both smokers and non smokers can respect each other's needs, we can create a more harmonious campus environment.
That's a good way to put it. Thanks for sharing your perspective, Oka.
And thanks for sharing your Andin. It's always good to talk about this thing openly.